In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your real estate Facebook lead generation ad in 2025. Let's dive right in and explore the ins and outs of maximizing your lead generation through Facebook, a platform that's become a cornerstone for real estate professionals aiming to reach potential homeowners and sellers. First, it's essential to understand why Facebook is a game changer for the real estate industry. The platform provides unparalleled opportunities with its massive audience reach. This is why having a high-performing advertising strategy is not just beneficial, but crucial to making the most of what Facebook offers. To start, you'll want to visit the comprehensive guide on Facebook lead generation for real estate by LeadsBridge. This resource will be your go-to for best practices and tools that can help you generate quality leads. Now, let's focus on creating a Facebook lead ads campaign. These ads simplify the conversion process by allowing potential clients to express interest directly through the ad. To make the most of your campaign, it is critical to define your target audience accurately. Consider factors like location, demographics, and buyer interest to tailor your ads effectively. The specificity of your targeting can make a significant difference in the quality of leads you attract. Once you've nailed who your audience is, move on to creating your lead ads. Your ads should be visually appealing with clear and compelling copy that prompts action, including great visuals like high-quality images of your properties or the benefits of the neighborhoods you're promoting can enhance engagement. Combining these elements with personalized messaging will improve the likelihood of converting viewers into leads. There's also a wealth of inspiration out there from successful Facebook ad examples. Reviewing these real estate specific ads can provide insights into what works and what doesn't. While it's good to draw inspiration, remember to infuse your ads with your unique brand voice to stand out. Automation can be a game changer too. Leverage tools like LeadsBridge, which can integrate with your CRM system to automate the follow-up process. Automation not only saves time, but ensures that no lead falls through the cracks due to delayed responses. Lastly, it's important to continually optimize your strategy. Review your ad's performance regularly, testing different visuals, copy, or targeting options to see what combinations generate the most responses. By staying adaptive and learning from each campaign's results, you'll refine your approach over time, leading to better ROI on your ad spend. That's it for today's tutorial on enhancing your real estate Facebook lead generation. With these strategies and tools at your disposal, you'll be better equipped to expand your reach and connect with potential clients more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find success in your real estate ventures with these insights.